Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we will continue with the rules of the degrees of comparison that we have started. We've already covered 5 rules and in today's video, we'll cover 5 more rules regarding the same. So there is a separate playlist on adjectives in English language on my channel and the link of the same will be available right in the description box. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started. Rules for the usage of adjectives. Rule number 6 says article the is used before superlative degree as it becomes definite and unique. We know that the degrees of comparison are divided into 3 parts: positive degree where no comparison is made, comparative degree when we compare two nouns, but when we compare more than two nouns, okay, and denote the best or worst of the quality or of an adjective, we use a superlative degree of adjective. So whenever that we use a superlative degree of adjective, article the is put because we refer to something which is definite or something that is unique. Have a look at the example here. Gurugram is the most polluted city of India. Most polluted is adjective, and because the given adjective is superlative in the nature, so we put the article the before an adjective to show that the given noun is unique or it is definite in nature. Rule number 7 says that when we wish to state that someone or something is better or worse than the rest compared one at a time, any other is used. So whenever that we have to depict or show a state in which we are talking about a comparison in which we denote something which is better or worse, we use any other. Have a look at these set of examples here, right? The first one is Ramesh is taller than any boy in the class. So we are making a comparison, right? You are comparing Ramesh to the other boys in the class, right? So why this is incorrect? The reason is we have to put any other boy, right, which is our next example and the correct example. Ramesh is taller than any boy in the class. So we whenever that we are denoting a better or a worse quality and we are comparing, we'll always use any other. So that statement, the later statement, is the correct one. Rule number 8 is certain adjectives can't be used in comparative or superlative degree. So there are certain group of adjectives which cannot be made or cannot be used in comparative or superlative formations, okay, and some of the examples are perfect. We cannot use more perfect or most perfect, right? Supreme, impossible. Something which is low can also be impossible, something which is of high standard can also be impossible, right? So we cannot just denote that it has certain degrees because they are complete in itself and needs no comparison that way. And more examples are absolute, ideal, everlasting, eternal, triangular, square, round, major, minor, complete, entire, chief, extreme, etc. Rule number 9 before you all is in comparative degree. Means comparative degree, in a comparative degree we compare two nouns, we use than. Of course we have already done this, that in comparative degree we use than. However, for adjectives during in IOR, to is used, okay. So there are some adjective which ends with IOR, we use to after that, okay. Like for example, she is superior to him, okay. this cloth's quality is inferior to that one. We don't use than when we compare the adjectives which are ending with IOR. So such words are superior, superior to, inferior, inferior to, junior, senior, prior, exterior, interior. So therefore we use to after these adjectives. The 10th and the last rule in today's class is the same word can be used as an adjective in a sentence and a noun in another sentence. So a same word could be used as an adjective or in a noun. So the usage varies and how it is used in a sentence varies, and through this we obviously understand that that particular word is either a noun or a adjective. Have a look at these examples. He teaches science. Okay, so this is acting as a object in that sentence, object of the verb he, right? So that therefore it is a noun, the name of a subject, a proper noun. The next example is he is a science teacher. He is which kind of teacher, or he teaches what? He teaches science, right? So which teacher? Science teacher. So it's describing the noun teacher, therefore it is an adjective, right? So the same word could be used as an adjective or as a noun in a sentence. So my dear students, this section brings an end to today's video class. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press that bell icon so that you can get regular notifications of the videos that I upload. All the important links of the playlist will be linked down in the description box below. Until we meet next time in the next video, keep learning and keep growing. The next part will be its sequel, which will contain the rules from 11 to 15.